Alabama is heading towards its new normal as Governor Ivey announced a stay-at-home order will expire on Thursday at 5 p.m. A safer at-home order will take effect once it expires, and that order is scheduled to end on May 15th. Here is what is different from the stay-at-home order. Under the safer at-home order, all retail stores are allowed to open, but at 50% occupancy. Elective medical procedures are allowed, but they have to follow health guidelines. The state beaches are allowed to reopen, but no groups of 10 or more are allowed. Restaurants are still limited to takeout, curbside, or delivery services only. The governor and the state's top doctor, Dr. Scott Harris, said it is a step in the right direction, but it's important to be safe so we don't face a setback. Here's what the governor and Dr. Harris described in a new plan in their own words.
Our intent was never to pick winners and losers, as some have wrongly suggested. No matter the size, if you are conducting commerce and providing a paycheck, you have tremendous value to our state.
We do think what the governor mentioned to you earlier is exactly the right approach. It's a very gradual and reasonable way for us to safely get people back to work and get the economy going again.
You will be urged to wear face coverings around people from other households when you leave your house. Obviously, no one's going to arrest you if you don't, but it's just good, sound medical advice, and it's for your safety as well as for the safety of those with whom you come in contact.
Even as we open things back up, we need to continue to ask Alabamians to work with us, to continue to do things a little bit differently for the future.
The greatest disservice for the people who might be watching me here today is to think that by lifting the comprehensive health restrictions, that this must be a sign that there's no longer a threat of COVID-19. Folks, we must continue to be vigilant in our social distancing both today and for the foreseeable future.
North Alabama cities are implementing their own additional protocols after Ivey's announcement. In the last hour, Athens sent its updated coronavirus guidelines. Athens utilities will suspend disconnecting service for non-payment through May 15th. Recycling services are still suspended, and senior centers remain closed. Those senior centers and assisted living facilities are getting special attention, housing some of the most at-risk individuals during this pandemic. Huntsville Hospital says most of the inpatients in Marshall County, North Alabama's hotspot, come from assisted living facilities. There are currently 7 inpatients in the county, all at the Marshall Medical Center facility in Boaz. There are also some poultry plant workers who are hospitalized.